안녕하세요. My name is Hanti Jo.
I believe that a crown is not just worn on the head, it is fueled by a positive mindset and a heart ready to serve. Having graduated from Panyapiwa Institute of Management in Bangkok, Thailand, I have spent years mastering the balance between discipline, leadership, and the global perspectives. But my true strength, it's my youthful energy and my unshakable belief that optimism is the greatest tool for change. When I first decided to enter pageantry, I was subjected by many people about my body shape. But their cyberbullying only made me stronger. Did you know why do I represent Mudon? The word Mudon comes from Mon language. It means city on the edge. It is also a place where famous monks used to live, so it has become bustling since then and is now a popular destination for tourists. When you arrive in Mudon, you can also visit Wat Saint Doya while admiring the world's largest reclining Buddha image. Mudon Lake and Kenji Pagoda are also a must-see for anyone visiting Mudon. They say that the lake existed before Mudon was built. Mudon is a place where you can see everything from ancient historical temples to newly built temples, and there are still many things to explore and discover in comparison to nature, so we invite you to visit. I don't just carry a title, I carry the spirit of Mudon and I want to be the pride of Mudon. I am vibrant, I am prepared, and I am fiercely ready to take the stage, representing the beauty and the soul of Mudon.
I'm your Miss Grand Mudon 2026. See you on the grand stage.